Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach, and thanks for joining me on this tour of a beautiful condo in London's West End in the Marsh Trail community. Now we are just steps away from my favorite grocery store, Remark, which many of you may know, and if you don't, I promise you're gonna love it. I know you'll be impressed by the primary bedroom layout. You've got 2 large walk-in closets as well as a 5-piece ensuite bathroom. The main floor is also great, it's open concept, and as you can see, there is amazing natural light. So enjoy the tour, let me know if you have any questions, and if you'd like to arrange a private viewing, you can reach out with the information that you'll find at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.